And here we go with another round of Battlebots as we got Blacksmith in the blue taking on the mighty Minotaur in the red. Here we go with Battlebots. Big giant collision. A piece of Minotaur went flying off early. Another big hammer hit. Another big comeback strike from Minotaur. Oh, swing and a miss right there. But there's a big hit. Grinding hit from Minotaur on the comeback. Grinding into him. But Minotaur lost another piece of armor. Couple of big hits from Blacksmith right there, but couldn't finish him off. Minotaur looking for the angle, looking to do some grinding damage. Big hit from Minotaur right there. Oh, big swing from Blacksmith. Grinding away on the side of Blacksmith. Now is Minotaur's. Minotaur almost got him, but it's over. Blacksmith has won again.